All aboard the tech news, games, and deals caboose. Tech news, Snapdragon 845 benchmarks show performance increases in single-threaded tasks, web browsing near 40% in photo editing, and roughly 30% in GPU tasks thanks to the Adreno 630. In the Olympics, cute robots in a ski race battle the cold to compete for a $10,000 prize. UK police trial a fingerprint scanner mobile device for offenses when a suspect cannot identify themselves. Uber drivers after 12 hours of driving will be required to take a 6-hour break to help fight sleeping drivers. Games. Steam has Transport Fever, which challenges you to create a successful land, water, or air transportation company. 40% off for $21. Hasbro's Iron Man AR toy game uses your phone's camera and markers placed around the room that can be moved to add replayability. 10 levels, the mask, gauntlet, and markers will be included for $50 in spring. Fallout 4's unofficial patch is available and includes many fixes for actors, items, and quest fixes. The Witcher 3 gets HD texture packs and an 8-minute trailer showing many of the changes. Download in the links below. Metal Gear Survive PS4 and Xbox One pre-orders are on Amazon and 20% off with Amazon Prime for $32. Deals. Newegg has an orange and black style PC case with 3 fans for $20 after rebate. Newegg also has a green and black tempered glass PC case with 3 fans for $20 after rebate, plus $5 gift card. Finally, Newegg has the ASRock Z370 Extreme 4 motherboard for $135 after rebate. Links and news sources in the description below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like or subscribe.